The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
While most of today was dry, this evening things have started to change over about the last 30 minutes or so. You'll notice that the highlands, the zone seeing the most amount of precipitation right now in the form of some freezing rain out across portions of Highland and Bath counties, also into areas near Mountain Lake and Giles County, Allegheny, Craig, the rest of Giles, even portions of Bland and Wythe counties just seeing plain old rain at this point. What I want to do is show you the extent of this storm system, and it's not a huge system by any stretch, but it is a system that could produce some moderate to heavy precipitation every now and again. This is it right here, and it's moving to the east. It's a relatively fast mover, so I'm thinking that the worst of the weather for us should be tonight into about the first half of the day tomorrow. All right, we are continuing to see system after system make its way onshore in the Pacific coastline. Tomorrow morning, we're going to have showers increasing along an upper level system. This is kind of a fancy term for yet another atmospheric river coming onshore. Heavy rain and snow will be an association with the system as it moves onshore. Obviously, most of California is seeing rain, but the higher terrain of the Sierra Nevada is certainly going to see some snow. And then by tomorrow evening, a continued heavy rain slash snowmaker along this storm track. So eventually the snow is going to be working its way towards the Rockies. Why am I spending 20 to 30 seconds talking about the Pacific coastline? Well, so long as system after system comes on shore in the Pacific coastline, what's west comes east. So as long as system after system is making its way onshore along the Pacific coastline, that means for us, our weather is going to stay active as well. And we're going to have several different storm systems impacting us here over the next 7 to maybe even 14 days. Want to show you Futurecast, starting with system number 1, the one tonight. This is going to provide us the chance for rain, maybe even some freezing rain along, say, the highlands and southern Shenandoah. Some of the heaviest precipitation may actually fall tomorrow morning before the system starts to weaken tomorrow afternoon. That being said, there might be enough instability because we're going to be warmer tomorrow to kick off a stray thunderstorm during the heating of the day tomorrow. Then one more little piece of energy in association with the front may bring a few more showers as we go into tomorrow night. So we may get a break from the rain tomorrow later in the day, only to have a few more showers pushing in tomorrow night. And then by Friday, I'm thinking that will be a dry day for us under a nice mix of sun and clouds. So Friday looks to be a pretty quiet weather day for us, a brighter day for us too. It's 29 right now in Hot Springs, 39 Wytheville, 37 in Roanoke, also in Lynchburg, lower 40s in Danville. So it was chilly today. Temperatures only in the 30s and 40s. Tomorrow is going to be much, much warmer. Why? Because a subtropical jet stream is going to move to the north, and what that means is it's going to grab the warmth to the south and bring it in our direction. So we are looking at temperatures tomorrow about 20 degrees warmer than today. So as we go zone by zone for tomorrow, NRV upper 50s, lower 60s, ditto in the highlands, Roanoke Valley, lower 60s, middle 60s, Lynchburg, you could get as warm as 67 tomorrow across south side. For tonight, though, overcast, cold. We're going to have some rain for most of us. Freezing rain is certainly a good bet, with 1/10 of an inch to maybe 2/10 of an inch of ice towards the highlands, say areas along and north of Interstate 64. So Highland, Bath County is probably going to see the most amount of icing here in our viewing area, not to mention Pocahontas and Greenbrier counties in West Virginia. Tomorrow, 61, going to maybe squeeze out a little bit of sunshine later in the day after what will be a wet morning. Your 7-day forecast shows temperatures only in the 40s Saturday, 50s on Sunday, 30s and 40s next week. So it does look like Saturday will be the wetter of the 2 weekend days. Sunday should see a little more sunshine, and we could have a wintry mix possible Monday, Tuesday, maybe even on Wednesday of next week.